Hi everyone! Today we are here at Hershey Chocolate World, here in the sweetest place in Times Square, New York. Come along as we explore new festive merch and sweets. Thank you! As soon as you come in, they hang you a delicious Hershey milk chocolate. And check out all these Grinch merchandise. They have chocolate, tumblers, and plushie. But we'll get into the merchandise in a while. I'm going to try that Kit Kat Duo's mint and dark chocolate milkshake. And for $13.95, you can upgrade your milkshake with a souvenir cup of 6 ounces. And they also have that epic sundaes for $9.95. They have different flavors. And now for the holidays, that Hershey Melted Hot Chocolate looks delicious. This is what the Kit Kat Duo's milkshake looks like. Okay guys, so I'm going to taste it. Oh, this is good. This is very minty. It tastes like chocolate. This is very good. It's nice and thick. This is actually very good, and this is a great shake. Now for the holidays, it's excellent. I love it and I recommend it. So now JJ is going to taste it.
It's very minty. It's so creamy and thick, and I really like it. It's really good.
So there you go, guys. So we both agree that this milkshake is creamy, thick, chocolatey, minty, and it's perfect now for the holidays. This is the station where you can customize your 1 pound Reese's Stuff Your Cup for $19.95. And as you see, they have different toppings you can choose from, and they all look so yummy. Comment down below if you would ever try to do one of these. So they have this mega cookie for $5.95. The flavors are Reese's, S'mores, and Kisses. This is the New York City Hershey Kisses candy machine, and it looks so cute. Here you can create your own mix and put your candy inside one of these filled cups or bags. This New York City candy machine bucket is $24.95. You fill it with your candy mix, and it makes a great New York City souvenir. These Hershey bars make a great New York City souvenir as well. And check out this big apple Hershey Kisses. This is super cute. And these water bottles. Oh, this is adorable. Look at this Hershey holiday plush. So cute. And this is $24.95. Then they have this holiday Hershey box for $19.95. They have these candles for $24.95. Oh, and I like the s'mores kit. Look at this. This is so adorable. It's $19.95 and it comes with a plushie. Super cute. And they also have these snowman brownie mix, which is $9.95. This world's largest Kit Kat is $22.95. There you have your Reese's, your Twizzlers, and then you have this giant Hershey bar. It is $44.95. That is huge. It looks yummy, yummy, yummy. And check out these Hershey's and Reese's Crocs. They are so adorable. They are 2 for $30. And these Reese's hat is $19.95. Super cute. And they also have these Twizzler Kisses and Hershey t-shirts for the guys out there. This is a cute Hershey t-shirt. Here's the Reese's merchandise section, and I like the hat. It's $19.95, and I like that hoodie. Super cute. There's the Reese's peanut butter, which is $4.95. They have candles, mini football. The mini football is $18.95. There's the salsa ball. More hoodies. And they also have tumblers and all kinds of different mugs. These Reese's dip pretzel looks very appetizing. Check out these Jolly Rancher treasure chests. This is $12 with 95 cents. Super cute. And they also have cups, tumblers. They also have candles and scented bath bombs. They have Jolly Rancher plushies. There's 5 for $34.95. And check out this cute Jolly Rancher lounge fly. It's $110. And this giant Jolly Rancher looks yummy. I also love these Hershey pins. My favorite are the s'mores. Super cute. Now they have these zero sugar chocolates. They have these Grinch PJs, which I think is super cute. This is what the top looks like, and he looks so adorable there. I also like this top. And this is, let me see, this is $24.95. And they also have this cute lounge fly with the heart. When you move it sideways, the heart grows 3 times. It is $85. Super cute. They also have these socks, and they are warm, very warm. I like these. They also have the Kisses cane. And check out this cute mug with the Santa hat. Super cute. They also have this turban for $34.95. I think that's a little pricey. And they also have the Grinch plushies. This is the station where you can personalize your Hershey bars. Here you have different Kisses merchandise. Those dolls are very cute. Here they have the Funko Pops and hoodies. Here you have different Kisses chocolate flavor. And that strawberry is calling my name. It looks super good. This Hershey tumbler is super cute. This is very nice. Let me see. This is $12.95. And here they have all the Hershey's different flavor syrup and all these different type of gift set. I like this mug for $12.95. Very nice. This is a very cute Hershey hoodie. Very nice. And these are PJs, socks, assorted hats. I want to try these Hershey salted caramel. They looking good. Those are very good. The cotton candy Hershey's, right?
This looks so good. And my favorite color too, blue.
These flavors are limited edition. They also have these Hershey chocolate hazelnuts. They also have these Hershey Meabies coffee. And check out those tumbler. Those are $19.95. And this mug is super cute. It's $12.95. It makes a great gift. And I like that long sleeve hoodie. Hershey's Golden Almond. I love this. That's such a cute pillow, right? If it's a Kit Kat pillow. I like the hat. It's $19.95. This is the Kit Kat that they use for our milkshake, but I haven't tried the actual Kit Kat itself, so I'm just gonna buy one of these. And here they have Kit Kat socks. They also have t-shirts, and they also have one of my favorite, Kit Kat churro. Have you ever tried this? This is very good, let me tell you. And here's the Hershey's Chocolate Cookie House. It's $16.95. And here you have the Hershey Character Winter Holiday Mix Box. And they are two for $16. And these I Love New York children's t-shirt is $29.95, and they all are so adorable. They are very cute, but this one is my favorite one. This is such a cute t-shirt. And this one is $24.95. They also have that one with Hershey. And they also have more chocolate, plushies, pillow. They have these Kisses and Reese's Advent Calendar for $9.95. And they also have these stocking overstuffer and tons of more Hershey different flavors. And they all look so yummy. And that's all for today. Happy holidays, everyone.